Consider Ax equal to b, a system of equations. Okay, system of equations Ax equal to b. Then here what you have to do is, so where A is the coefficient matrix, A is the coefficient matrix and X is the matrix of the variables and B is the constants, okay, right side constants. So if it is given like this, then the first condition you have to see is, we will see rank of A. If rank of A is equal to rank of AB. This AB is, I will show you by solving the problem. This AB, what we have written, what I have written like this, AB, this is called as augmented matrix. Okay, while doing the problem, I will tell that augmented matrix. Augmented means combined matrix. Augmented matrix. So you need to just know this only. If rank of A equal to rank of AB, then first condition, this you have to check, then system is consistent. Then the system is consistent. Then second is that, secondly, if rank of A, you need to by heart this one, okay, if rank of A equal to rank of this AB, which is equal to n, okay, where n is the number of unknowns, where n is the number of unknowns. N is the number of unknowns. Number of unknowns means like x1, x2, x3, whatever, how many equations you have. In that equations, what all the variables are there. So suppose if I have x1 plus x2 equal to 2, x1 minus 3, x2 equal to say 4. So number of unknowns here 1, 2, x1 and x2 are the number of unknowns. So here there are 2 unknowns, means n equal to 2 here. Okay. So when you find out rank of A and rank of AB, if that is equal to n, that n is the number of unknowns, okay, then what will happen? Then unique solution exists. Unique solution means unique solution exists. Say for example, unique solution means, suppose I have x plus y equal to 0. Then I can have infinite number of values here, x equal to minus 2 plus 2, x minus 2, y plus 2, x minus 3 plus y plus 3, x minus half, y plus half, x plus half, y minus half. So like that, so many values I have, infinite number of values I will have. Okay, this is not unique. Okay, so unique means there will be only one value. Suppose I am writing x plus 4 equal to say 5. Then here x is equal to only one possibility, x is equal to 1. This is unique value. Okay, so this is unique means only one value. So when x is equal, when rank of A equal to rank of AB, which is equal to n, then unique solution exists. And the third condition is that if rank of AB, if rank of A equal to rank of AB, which is less than n. Means like for example, in an equation, suppose 3 unknowns are there, okay, and we are finding the rank. We got rank of A equal to 2, rank of AB equal to that also equal to 2. So here 2 is less than 3. So, but rank of A equal to rank of AB. So rank of A equal to rank of AB, but that is less than n. Then what will happen? Then infinite number of solution exists. Infinitely many solution exist. Infinitely many solution exist. That means you will have so many values, infinitely many values for that. Infinitely many values, that also in terms of this I will explain while doing the problem. In terms of n minus r, n is the number of unknowns, r is the rank. N minus r arbitrary constants. Arbitrary constants. Okay. So while doing the problem, I will tell you what it is. Then, and the fourth one is that if rank of A not equal to rank of AB, both are different, rank of A is different, rank of AB is different, then the system is inconsistent and has no solution. Okay, if rank of A and rank of AB both are different, then system is inconsistent and it will have no solution. Okay.